everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Let's start today's topics. Tesla is cutting the prices of two of its most expensive models in the US, the Model S and Model X, in an effort to boost demand as competition increases in the electric vehicle market. Tesla lowered the base price of its Model S luxury sedan from $94,990 to $89,990, and the base price of its Model X sport utility vehicle from $109,990 to $99,990. The company has also seen increasing competition from startups like Rivian Automotive and Lucid Group as they try to cut into Tesla's market share. Tesla grappled with production challenges in the U.S. last year as it adjusted its manufacturing processes. Tesla has certainly gone out of its way to make sure its products are more affordable, just like those startups it's competing with. Committing to expanding its brick-and-mortar grocery store business, the e-commerce behemoth is shuttering 8 cashierless Go convenience stores, just halted construction of its second headquarters in Virginia, and said it was part of broader cost-cutting efforts amid the shifting macroeconomic climate, Amazon's spokesperson Jessica Martin said in a statement. Like any physical retailer, we periodically assess our portfolio of stores and make optimization decisions along the way. We remain committed to the Amazon Go format. Amazon has been struggling with growing costs amid ongoing macro uncertainty, and announced over 18,000 job cuts earlier this year. The tech sector has been hit hard by the global pandemic, with more than 123,000 tech sector employees having lost their jobs since the start of 2023. This number almost 5x higher than it was in mid-January, and according to data compiled by layoffs.fy, this number is firmly on pace to surpass 2022 employee layoffs. Additionally, tech giants such as IBM, MSFT, SAP, PYPL, and many more have had to make difficult decisions to cut employee numbers in order to stay afloat. As the global economy continues to adjust to the pandemic, tech sector layoffs are likely to continue into the foreseeable future. Looks like tech companies need to start hiring motivational speakers to get their employees through these tough times. In the fourth quarter of 2022, Caisse de Dépôt et Placement du Quebec (CDPQ) made significant cuts to its holdings in the chip stocks of Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, Intel, INTC, nvidia, nvidia, and Micron Technology, MU. 3 of these stocks have made solid returns so far in 2023, despite their dismal performance in 2022. The pension fund showed its commitment to adjusting to the changing market environment in order to continue making good returns despite the general downturn in the S&P 500. Even with all its cutting, it looks like CDPQ was still left licking its wounds over the dismal chip stocks return in 2022, which ultimately dragged their annual return into the negatives. Brazil's leading digital lender Nubank has appointed David Marques, former digital wallet executive at Meta Platforms Inc., Meta, to join their board. Marques, 49, who headed payments and cryptocurrency operations at Meta, left the social media company at the end of 2021 to launch a crypto-focused startup Lightspark prior to Meta. He was the president at digital payments company PayPal Holdings Inc., PYPL. Nubank has around 75 million customers across Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia, and is a leading financial technology platform in Latin America. Nubank's recruitment of David Marques says it all, proving once again that if you're serious about digital payments, you better have Marques on your team. Manya Maisar, alias of Indian influencer, and his associates have used YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to live stream car chases and violent posts to suspect cow smugglers, despite warnings from human rights organizations regarding the posts clashing with platforms' content policies. The accounts were allowed to remain active, drawing in 210,000 subscribers on YouTube and nearly 150,000 across Meta Platforms' Facebook and Instagram. It appears that when it comes to making money, social media platforms have no problem looking the other way when it comes to dangerous rhetoric and violent content. Apple has an impressive 1.8 billion active devices making up its installed base, and this has helped provide the tech giant with a visibility into its revenue growth. The company enjoys a lasting brand loyalty, giving it a competitive advantage. Analysts say that the installed base growth and the secular growth in services together with new product innovation should offset potential cyclical headwinds to product revenue. Apple clearly has a lot of loyal fans, which might explain why their installed base is skyrocketing. Let's just hope their products last longer than their raving fans. Investors have begun to grow worried over restrictions proposed by the US government on companies trading with Huawei. Nvidia, who's seen tremendous gains in its share price over the last few months, is set to suffer a substantial dent in revenue if the bill passes in its current form. Qualcomm is another company who'd face possible obstacles. However, the bill is still in preliminary drafting and could be revised. With US government's restrictions on companies trading with Huawei, it seems like only the White House stands to make a real profit. This is everything for now on the Wall Street wackiness. See you in another time.